Hello everyone, it's Adriana from Living Healthy with Chocolate. Today I have a very delicious strawberry milkshake recipe to share with you that uses a secret ingredient to make it sweet and creamy without adding any milk or ice cream. But what ingredient would make a milkshake so delicious without ice cream? Banana. I live in Hawaii and my neighbor recently had this beautiful bunch of bananas growing and they inspired me to create this recipe. So today I'm gonna give you the healthiest milkshake recipe that is naturally sweetened, sugar-free, and dairy-free. The strawberry flavor shines, it's cold, refreshing, and it's easy to prepare in just under 5 minutes. Oh, and watch the video until the end because I'm gonna show you how to store the milkshake and make fruity popsicles that kids will love. If you're new here, my name is Adriana Harlan, and on this channel I share my best healthy, gluten-free, paleo, and vegan dessert recipes. So if this interests you, be sure to give this video a like and introduce yourself in the comments below. So now let's get started with this recipe. The detailed measurements and instructions are posted for you on my blog, and I left the link to the post in the description of this video. Now, how can we make milkshakes so creamy without ice cream? The secret is by using frozen fruits, especially frozen bananas. When frozen bananas are pureed, they turn into a cold, creamy ice cream that is naturally sweet. So plan ahead and freeze your fruits first. The best way to freeze bananas is to peel the skin, break them in half, or slice them into small little pieces and freeze in an airtight container. But be sure to wait for your bananas to ripen because ripe bananas make milkshakes much sweeter. I often buy already frozen strawberries, but freezing them is similar, so wash them well with water and then dry any moisture with a paper towel so they don't stick together when frozen. I'm gonna get rid of the leaves and then place them in an airtight container and freeze. And now for the exciting part, grab your blender and add the liquid ingredients first. I'm gonna be adding coconut water because it goes really well with strawberries, but you can use filtered water or milk, any milk of choice. Next, add a splash of lime or lemon juice to bring out the flavors in the strawberries. And I'm also gonna be adding a dash of vanilla extract to mimic the taste of vanilla ice cream. Now let's add the frozen banana and the frozen strawberries. Okay, so now blend it on high for a few seconds or until you get that thick and creamy milkshake texture. This recipe makes about 4 cups and it serves about 2 people. It's thick, it's creamy, and it's ice cold like the real thing, but much more nutritious and vitamin rich without all the added sugar and dairy. It tastes like strawberry candy to me. Okay, so now how can we store any leftover and make fruity popsicles for the kids? The best and easiest way is to use a silicone ice cube tray like I have here. Fill each cavity with a milkshake, and I have these cute little wooden spoons that I'm gonna be using as popsicle sticks, and I'm gonna place them right in the center of each one. After frozen, they easily pop right out, and you and your family will love having them as a healthy, refreshing snack. And you can even enjoy them for breakfast. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you make this strawberry milkshake and the popsicles and you share them with your family and your friends. After you make it, I would love to know how it goes, so please comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in another video very, very soon. Bye. Cheers.